Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more interesting creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on face recognition using SQLite. We have gone through face recognition using tkinter library. We have gone through face recognition using DLIB, and we have gone through face attendance system using SQLite using tkinter library. We have gone through many videos on age and gender classification. We have gone through many videos on fruits and vegetable classification. We have gone through many videos on image classification. Then we have gone through many interesting videos on different videos on SQLite, like sentiment analysis, then age and gender classification and this thing. And we have gone to CNN model, image using TensorFlow, Keras. Today's video is really interesting and creative. We are going to see face recognition in some different style. This is face recognition using different style. First of all, we will go through the initial state of the program. Here data set, only 3 images are there. My image is not there. Trainer, this file is there. Then database is test.db, and face base is the name of the table. Now we'll go through the program execution. First of all, we'll go through register.py. I've shown you the initial state of the program. This is enter your name and this thing, ID and this thing. Now I will execute the program of register. Yes, ID I will take 15, and name yes, this is recognized, fine. Now I will go through the trainer dot file, because we need to create frames. Yes, training model complete. We can see here my training is there, my images are there. Now the final state, you can see here my ID is 15, user 15. Yes, you can see. Now at the last, face recognition, it will be recognized with the help of ID. Yes. So my ID is recognized and confidence and this thing. Well, so I successfully done with face recognition in different style, in different manner. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on face recognition, attendance system, if possible SQLite, sentiment analysis, Keras, TensorFlow, emotion recognition using Keras, emotion recognition, TensorFlow, then microservices, then web development using Python, using Flask. I will be trying to show you videos on Django framework. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.